Hi all, welcome to VoiceCard. I hope you all are doing good. Today we're gonna learn about DB replication status. That means steps to check DB replication, and later on in this video we will check the values of DB replications and what they mean. To check the DB replication status in CUCM, first thing we need to go to our GUI mode of CUCM. Let me open my CUCM and then enter with my credentials. Here on from navigation we need to select CUCM Unified Reporting, and once you select it you need to enter your username and then after your password. Once you logged in, click on System Reports on your left side, and then after you need to go to Unified CM Database Status. Once you click on that, click on Unified CM Database Status, and here on you can access the database of your CM, that is Call Manager. And below that, if you want to check your replication status of your publisher with your subscriber, then you need to click on view details. If that can be, you are able to see that on my screen. And yes, here on you can check that the replication status is good, and the digit is showing the value of replication is 2 on all three servers. So this is the method using GUI mode of CUCM. If you want to check the DB replication status through CLI mode, you also can do that. After to check with the CLI mode, open your login with your credentials of CUCM in CLI. I'm using Putty for that. So enter with your credentials. Yes. Once you logged in with your CUCM credentials in Putty, after that you need to enter the or run the command to check the DB replication status. That is utils DB replication runtime state. Let me execute this command. You can see on my screen that is utils db replication runtime state, and after that click on enter. It will show all the details of your all the servers, that is publisher and that followed by subscribers. On the left side you can check the server name, after that their IPs, and on the right hand side you can see the replication status with the details. Here on you can see that the setup is completed and the value of db replication is also showing 2. That means it is in good state. So this is how you can uh, check the db replication status of CUCM using CLI mode. After that you can exit, and the third step is using RTMT tool. So open the RTMT tool. I have uploaded a video related to RTMT tool and the installation from where you can download it. You can watch. I'll drop the link in my description of this video. So once you open the RTMT tool, click enter your username and then password. Once you enter with the credentials, it will log in. On the left side you need to go to the voice and video. Then after in the service, click on database summary. Yes, and after once you open this thing, you check the node. That means the IP address of your cluster. On the right hand side you can check the replication status, that is showing me 222. That means it is in good state. These are the three steps to check the DB replication status of your call manager and their other like publisher and subscribers. that is using GUI mode, and then after CLI mode, and then if you are want to use RTMT tool. So these are the things I want to share with you. After that, like I told you earlier, that I'll share the replication values and what they mean. So there are four values, five values: value 0, value 1, value 2, value 3, and 4. So you have checked, like in our three modes, in all the status the value was 2, that means replication is in good state. If the value is showing 0, that means it is in initialization state. If your value is 1, that means number of replicates not correct. If it is showing 2, that means replication is good. And if it is showing 3, that means replication is happening but the tables are not matching. So that is the issue. If your value is showing 4, that means setup failed or dropped. So these are the values in DB replication status you can get when you check the replication status, and how you can these are the steps to check your status. So this is the video I want to share with you. If you like my videos, please do share, subscribe, and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you.